2018 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
So a lot of clouds today. Hopefully you saw a peep or two of sunshine. I know we had that here in Lafayette a couple of times today, but still a couple snow flurries here coming off of Lake Michigan in our northeast counties. That'll be the case this evening and into the overnight hours. Nothing big, but here's the next system coming out of Canada. What will happen? This little low pressure with some of this snow will dive into the plains, start to pick up moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico, and that's what will invigorate this system, and it's going to spread some pretty significant snow over parts of the Midwest. But notice no moisture coming out of the Gulf just yet, but it's only a matter of time before the Gulf opens up and starts to feed this developing system. And that's really my focus tonight. Two winter storms to keep an eye on, one of which will arrive Friday night into Saturday. Now, there's still a lot of question about how much snow may fall, but some of the new data today starting to agree a little bit more as to just how much will fall in our viewing area. I've got a map coming up, and also another winter storm for next week, and there's some disagreement on whether it's going to be early in the week or middle parts of the week. Over the weekend, it looked like early in the week. Last night, it looked like middle parts of the week. Now, some of the data seems to be going back to early part of the week. So just realize there's a storm brewing next week and then a sharp cold snap behind that system. But meanwhile, on Futurecast tonight, nothing more than a couple flurries northeast of Lafayette. We'll finally get some sunshine tomorrow. Clouds mixed with sun. High temperature, not bad tomorrow, 30 to about 34 degrees area wide. Cold will be in the teens tomorrow night, but then on Friday, clouds will start to increase as that next storm starts to take shape. And here is that next storm, Friday night into Saturday. It's moving a little farther north, and it looks like some of the significant snow may fall in Missouri and western Illinois. As for us, this is preliminary, and I mean very preliminary, 2 to 4 inches. I was thinking 1 to 3 yesterday. Just know potential exists for accumulating snow. This may change. This band, I may have to move it into our area. I may have to shift this west, but this is what we know right now with this system Friday night and into Saturday. So we're going to track it for you over the next few days. After highs tomorrow, low 30s. There's the system, and yet another storm headed our way by next week. Tonight, though, a few flurries, especially northeast, 21 for the low. Tomorrow, we'll drop to a high of 31. Clouds mixed with some sun. Not a bad day, really. And we watch Friday night on into Saturday for the potential snow, and then more snow early, middle parts of next week, Jeff.
Boy, that makes me want to hold my head. I see nothing but snow flurries on the 7-day forecast. I thought I could handle the cold, and then I thought, no, I'd rather have the cold than the snow, and then
I tell you what, 30.5 inches of snow this winter. Going to rank up there, one of the snowiest winters